Hey guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for reaching 6,000 subscribers. It doesn't really seem like too long ago that I started posting new videos here a few months ago, and in that time, the channel has gained 5,000 subscribers. It's very humbling to see so many people using the videos created here to study Japanese. I hope that I can continue to provide useful content in the future, and I'm always open to suggestions. Just in case you didn't know, I also have an Instagram page at Unearthed Japan, where I post a few times daily. Here you can find useful kanji and beginner Japanese phrases, as well as snippets of the beautiful culture of Japan. In celebration of reaching 6,000 subscribers, I've decided to open a merch store with Teespring. Here you can find all kinds of clothing and phone cases showcasing beautiful Japanese kanji in a wide array of colors. As a special to anyone watching, if you use the promo code JAPAN during checkout, you will receive 10% off your order. All links will be in the description below, so be sure to check them out. To conclude, I'd like to thank you all again for the support of this channel and reaching the 6,000 subscriber milestone. It's a significant achievement and motivates me to push this channel even further. I'm aiming to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2019, and I'm sure we will be able to achieve it. So, until the next video, mata ne!